Hello children, this is me Farhat Hussain. Children, today we are going to start a new poem, Poem 1, The Coming of Spring. Okay, this poem has been written by Sanchit Saluja and he is a budding poet. See, at the last of the poem, see written here, this poem has been written by Sanchit Saluja. Sanchit Saluja is a budding poet who likes to express his thoughts and ideas through simple and interesting rhymes. Now, what is the meaning of budding poet? The meaning of budding poet is a poet who is at the young age and he has just started writing poem. Okay? So children, today we are going to recite this poem and this poem is about the nature. So children, the very first question which comes in our mind is that why do we recite a poem and how does it help us? Then here is your answer. The poem is a beautiful way of enjoying words in a rhyme and rhythm. So children, today we are going to recite a poem about the nature. Okay? This poem is about seasons. Do you know about seasons? How many seasons are there? Then children, there are 6 seasons. Okay? And these are, first one is a summer season, rainy season, autumn season, spring season, pre-winter season, winter season, and the last one is your spring season. Okay? So children, these all are seasons. Okay? And these seasons are beautiful in their own way and have their own characteristics which make them very special, which make each one of them very special. This poem is about spring season and the poet Sanchit Saluja is very much excited and happy, and through this poem he has expressed his happiness. He has expressed his happiness, okay, at the coming of spring season. So let us start. Now, see children, there are some rhyming words are there. See, cheer, here, cheer, daffodils, sills, green, seen, unfold, gold. Okay, these all are rhyming words. They are sounding same. Okay, now what is this rhyming words? Then rhyming words are those words which make a poem very beautiful and which helps us to enjoy the poem. Okay, so children, I'm going to recite this poem, then I will explain it one by one. Okay, see, now start it. How do I know that spring is here? Because the world is full of happiness and cheer. The beautiful roses, lilies and daffodils peep out of everyone's window sills. The grass starts getting soft and green. The garden makes a very pretty scene. Tall bushes all start to unfold and introduce the sun's morning serene gold. This poem is written by Sanchit Saluja. Okay, you have to remember this. Now, I am going to explain it one by one. See the first line. How do I know that spring is here? In the first line, the poet is asking a question that how do we come to know that spring has been arrived? Okay, and in the next line or in the second line, he is answering to his own question that when spring comes, then the entire world looks so beautiful and they seem to be very happy. Birds start chirping on the trees and sing beautiful songs to welcome the spring season. Now come to the third line. The beautiful roses, lilies and daffodils peep out of everyone's window sills. The plants which you planted, see children, the plants which you have planted in a pot near your window, what do they? They just grew up in this season and the beautiful flowers from them started blooming, such as roses, lilies, daffodils and etc. When they grow up, then they seem to be peeping from everyone's window. ऐसा लगता है मानो वो क्या कर रहे हो, खिड़कियों से झांक रहे हो. Okay. Now come to the fifth line. See, the grass starts getting soft and green. The garden makes a very pretty scene. See children, the explanation of this these two lines, the grasses become very soft and green. Okay, and just because of the moisture they get from in this spring season, and they look like green velvet bedsheet. लगता है मानो वो जब वो घास लंबे लंबे होते हैं, बढ़ने लगते हैं, तो लगता है मानो कि एक बेडशीट बिछा हो, और वो कैसा हो, ग्रीन कलर का है और वो वेलवेट सा है. ओके, and the garden looks so pretty with these green grasses and colorful flowers. It brings a smile on your face. It brings a smile on everyone's face. है ना? So now come to the next line. Tall bushes all start to unfold and introduce the sun's morning serene gold. See children, in these lines, the plants and the bushes, they all become taller, and in the morning the sun doesn't shine that much, which can make the weather so hot. Early in the morning, what happens? It is serene gold. The sun is serene gold. It means it is peaceful, it is beautiful, it doesn't hurt you. I hope children you have enjoyed the poem and have learnt many new words in this poem which will improve your vocabulary. So children, that's all for today, and thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.